Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab legs in the oven. First, ensure your crab legs are fully thawed if frozen. This usually takes several hours in the refrigerator. Next, gather your essential tools, a sturdy baking sheet and some heavy-duty aluminum foil. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's add some amazing flavor. Gently brush the crab legs with about 2 tablespoons of melted butter or a good quality olive oil. Then, generously sprinkle them with your favorite seafood seasoning. Old Bay is a classic choice, but feel free to experiment. Finally, wrap each crab leg cluster tightly in aluminum foil to lock in moisture and flavor during baking. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the foil-wrapped crab legs directly onto your baking sheet. Bake them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on their size and whether they were fully thawed. They are perfectly cooked when their internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, carefully remove the crab legs from the oven and unwrap them. Be cautious of the hot steam. Arrange them beautifully on a platter. Serve your succulent crab legs immediately with small bowls of melted butter for dipping and fresh lemon wedges for a bright, zesty finish. Enjoy this delightful seafood feast you've prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.